Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, being safe. So today I want to bring you another recall, but this one has to do with a different manufacturer, and it just goes to show you that it's not just Honda and Acura. There's a lot of issues going on with manufacturers right now. But this one's interesting because there was already a recall on it last year, and supposedly they did this big recall and they didn't actually fix the problem. After all this, they sent out letters and all that, had people come in, but there were still issues. So let me go explain exactly what I'm talking about. So last year, Ford recalled the 2022 to 2023 Mustangs. So like I was saying, it's all these different manufacturers. There's just a lot of issues right now with all these different car companies. But a lot of people I know out there have Mustangs. They're a very popular car, so I wanted to bring this video in case you have one, or again, you know somebody with one, definitely let them know. But so last year, they recalled all these Mustangs, and it was due to a calibration issue with a steering torque sensor. And if that's not fixed, the steering wheel can actually start turning on its own. So it's definitely, you can see how that would lead to a crash if you're just driving and all of a sudden the steering wheel wants to start turning right and you're not expecting that, holding the wheel too tight, all that kind of stuff. It could be a major issue. So the issue now is that Ford's doing a secondary recall because they're saying that the Mustangs were recorded as having received the repair successfully in their records, didn't actually have them repaired successfully. And it all has to do with electronic power steering, and they said it would provide unintended and unwanted steering assist. So because a lot of these vehicles now, they can steer by themselves for a short distance, it can confuse it and it'll start turning on its own. So all this stuff is great when it works, but when it doesn't, it'll create issues like this that can be pretty dangerous. So they should be sending out letters again to get this rectified. But like I said, I always recommend just calling your local dealer, giving them your VIN number, and they can tell you if you need to have this recall redone. And it doesn't specify if it's any certain models. I don't think it really matters what model it is, but it's 2022 to 2023 Mustangs. So again, things like this, I would rather just call and they can let you know rather than, you wait around for a letter and sometimes they don't show up. And while you're doing that, you could have this issue that, if you're not holding the steering wheel tight enough, it could start turning on its own. So I would definitely want to get that checked out. And if you do need to have it fixed ASAP, just because it could be a big problem if you're not paying too much attention. Again, it just kind of goes in line with everything else that's been going on. It's not really one manufacturer. It's kind of all of them have their issues nowadays. I would say over the last 5 to 7 years, it's a lot more issues coming up. So again, if you have one of these or know somebody with a Mustang of those years, I would let them know just to get it double checked. If you did get the recall last year originally, it was in the summer of last year, definitely give your dealer a call and see if you need to have it redone. Again, I just want to keep you guys informed on that because a lot of us have other cars other than Honda and Acura. So I want to keep you guys updated. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, having a good day. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.